Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel IT Box India. Today I am going to tell you about something Windows Server. So basically we are going to install or create a machine, create a web server on create a Windows server on Amazon AWS console. So this is our management console. So first we have to go to EC2 instance. We are going to launch instance, or we are going to make a Windows server. So we have to put it here, Windows, and select Windows from here. After that we have to select the version of Windows server, which one you want to configure, which one you want to select. There is latest version 2020 22, but we are going to select 2016 because it's compatible and it's easy to use. After that we have to select the RAM from here. Up to 32 GB we can select from here. This is last one, 32 GB memory. So we are going with 8 GB memory, and we have to put it a new key pair from here. So we can generate from here like AQ and create a key pair. It will be download from here, and now we have to allow ports. These settings you have already know about these settings. The last class I have told you. So launch instance. It is successfully launched. So now we have to go and access it, that how it will be configured really and live. It's really easy to install and it's really easy to configure. Just some steps you have to follow. So this is in running state. So we have to make a connection with RDP. RDP means remote desktop. So we have to download the remote desktop file from here. It will download automatically, and now we want to get password. So password is not available here. So here we have to stop and we have to wait at least 4 minutes after launching the instance to decrypt our password to access this instance or access this Windows server machine. So lively you will get how to install, how to configure. So we will also create a domain, workgroup domain, Active Directory. User, I will also create a user on this server. So it may be 2 minutes we have. Get Windows password. Okay, it's ready to encrypt decrypt our password. So upload here file which we have is downloaded. So this one aq.pem file was downloaded, and it will be decrypt from here. Now this is your password, so you can copy from here like this and just run this one, connect and paste here password. So now we are going to enter in Windows Server. Yes, it's making connection, or it's making remote session for our Windows machine. So now it's take little bit time for configuration. Okay, you have got access from EC2 instance Amazon AWS.com. Yes, we want to run or play use network, so we have to do yes. And now you can see the services which we can configure the Windows Server. So we have to go in Server Manager. So any service you want to configure, you can add role and feature. The server manager is collecting inventory data. The wizard will be after collecting finish. Okay, so we are going so frequently, so we have to wait a minute. It's taking data from add role and feature. So we have to install some role and feature, role based feature installation. Okay, so you can just click next, and now we are going to select Active Directory Domain Services, this one, add feature. It will be automatically add. And now you can add lot of services from here, like network policy, network controller, remote access, remote desktop services, web service, web server. Lot of things, lot of services already are mentioned here. There are a lot of list. After that we are going to do next. Restart the destination server automatically if required. So we are going to just install, because we not want to restart our session, because otherwise we will disconnect from this session. So that's why I am not select that option. So those students are from IT background, those are from IT administrator or system engineer, or maybe server engineer, network engineer. They all should know about this type of servers: Windows Server, Ubuntu Server, Linux Server. So that's why today I choose AWS Server, AWS Windows Server 2016. So you can easily configure from here. So it will show configure required installation success. So we can close here, and now we can see like ADDS, Active Directory Services, has been installed. We are here, so we can use Active Directory user and computers. Okay, there is actually some network issue. We have to refresh this one. It will take some time. Okay, now it's online performance counter not now it's not started due to some network error. So we can configure domain services. Okay, so you can create a add new forest, like I can do here bsu.com. Okay, next it will verify that its domain is available or not. So we can here put it here password. Password should be critical. Next, okay, create DNS delegation. We no need DNS delegation. It will verifying. Okay, so now we have to configure. Finally, next, and after verification of domain controller operation, we can do installation. Install. Windows Server 2016 domain controller have default for the security setting named allowed. Cryptography algorithm compatible with Windows NT 4.0 to prevent cryptography algorithm when established security channel session. It will take time, maybe 2 to 4 minutes. After that it will be finished with the results. Then we can create users for this server, and you can implement on, oh my god, that is my laptop battery is less and the server has been restarted. So to go again on the RDP session and connect it. Remote desktop connection. Okay. Wait. After the configuration, we have to restart the services, so that's why it will take some time. RDP client, download desktop remote, copy password and run this one. Connect and paste your password here and run. Maybe password was wrong. Control and we have to paste here. Paste. Okay. Why it's showing login attempt failed? Why it's okay? Then get password. We can regenerate our key and decrypt it. So download this one and copy the password. Maybe there is some issue on password session, so that's why it was not taking the password, because maybe we are getting some different passwords. Okay, our connection was re-establishment, so it's taking 1 minute at least for starting, because the server has get lot of policies, lot of process to manage their work performance. This is not the error of memory, this is the error of network issue only. Okay, we can for instance, it will automatically come when it's not. Okay, so you can see lot of things are there in Windows Server. It will take time. You can check status, you can monitor from here how much utilization are going on, what is the status of counts, there is what is the status of network packets. Lot of things you can monitor your server from here only. So I can use at least so this is the disk ready bytes and the credit uses. Lot of things are showing here. This is for the tag generation. You can create your tag here. Maybe it will take a lot of time. Please wait for the group policy client. The quality of connection is remote computer is good. Okay, no issue. Then the connection war. Waiting. So friends, this is remote desktop. Like you can say, this is your server, virtualization server you are using. In future, there are lot of servers look like only this type, because we all are going on cloud, we are all are moving on cloud. So that's why today I have tried to teach you, try to give practical session on the Windows server. So please upgrade yourself with the technology and the daily updates. Okay, it's take lot of time after the policy created. And now you can see on the left side, uh, right side, there is lot of information here. Like you have 8 MB 8 GB memory in this server. These are the private IP, or this is the public IP, and this is the instance ID, host name. Lot of things are all here. So we have changed in this session domain name. So I will show you where it is located. So go on the this PC and right click on it and go on properties. So it will show the domain name. This one is your domain name which we have created. So you can also go and select your service which we have created. You will see here. It will take, wait a minute, it will take to load time. Local server ADDS. Okay, ADDS you have already configured. Okay, now right click on it and go to the Active Directory user computer. So you will be see here, this is our domain, and you can create user here. So you can like my name is Sumit God. So this is my username, and your what you want to put your logo name. Like I can put here Sumit. Okay, sorry. And next. So here it's asked about the password. So you have to create a password of which is critical, like whatever you want. I have created my password. There is 4 options. Like you must change password at the next logon. You can't change password. Password never expired. Account is disabled. There are 4 options. Like I am server manager. I am network engineer, or I am system engineer. So if I will give anyone to access my server, so I will be take 4 options to create a password or change their password. So these are the policy, or these are the permission that you are providing this person to change his password or never change. Okay, finish. So you can see that this is my user, but this is not active. This is not active user. So today I am going to end my class here. I will definitely take next class and show you how to create a user from command line interface. So we can close our session from here only. So you can see like I am using 2 windows at a time. Okay, so we can say bye to this session and come back to our instance, and we have to terminate our instance. We can create new instance in new class. Thank you for watching this video, and this is really informative for you. If you like, then subscribe my channel and share with your friends, which is technical or non-technical. We will meet in next